candidate number 28, Magalang, Pampanga.
Diyos sa gabi. Diyos sa gabi. Diyos sa gabi.
Alam ko na may kakaiba sa pamilya natin. Umasa ko na balang araw ay matutuklasan ko ang misteryo ng pamilyang Malyari.
Malyari.
Father Severino Malyari. Ayon sa lumang usapan, ang mga pinatay ni Father ay mga mandala.
Dark past dating back to the Spanish colonial era when the first documented serial killer in the Philippines, Juan Severino Malyari, a Filipino Catholic priest, allegedly killed 57 people. Today, the town is known for its progressive agricultural industry, producing a wide range of fresh products including fruits, vegetables, corn, and rice. Magalang is also famous for its export quality tamarind products and home of the vibrant Tamarang Festival, celebrating its rich culture and heritage. Designer Nes Divera.